Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you install apps on the iPhone without always requiring the Apple ID. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So you might have noticed that sometimes when you go to the App Store and you're trying to install any new app, I cannot think of any new app, but let me try this restaurant. Now if I press get, it's gonna ask me for the face ID, or my if I press the double click, it's gonna ask me for my face ID, and then it's gonna do it, install it. And if I want to change that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my settings, and then I'm gonna go to where it says screen time. Then we're gonna select content and privacy restrictions, and then I'm gonna turn this on. If it's on, we're gonna go to content restrictions. Sorry, we're gonna go to iPhones, iTunes and App Store purchases, and we're gonna go to select don't require. Next, what we can do is we can go back, and then we're gonna go to face ID and passcode, and then I'm gonna enter my password here real quick, and then you see it says use face ID for iTunes and App Store. You can turn this off, and now if I go back to the App Store and I press on this, it's probably gonna install without. Yep, you guys can see that it did not require my Apple ID. So that is how you can change your iPhone settings in a way that every time you install a new app, it does not ask for your Apple ID. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.